Good morning, class 5. Today I am going to send you the video related to your chapter 2, and this is the revision for you. Revise it well, chapter 2, types of software. Here we go. Students, we are going to study on 3rd of May, Monday, class 5, chapter 2, types of software. Well, students, what do you understand by chapter 2 software? The word software, what do you mean by this? Software, which is known as. Students, what is software? Well, software, computer's part. Computer's one part is hardware. And this hardware, the hardware parts are those parts which you can touch. Like, I can touch this board, so this is hardware. Okay? The material like keyboard, monitors, and so on, your any kind of part which is connected to the computer. Okay, like monitor, mouse, keyboard, CPU, and your printer, these all known as hardware. The part on which you are working internally means that part you cannot touch. So these are known as softwares. For example, like the calculation going on, or the painting you are doing in computer, you cannot touch directly. Okay, you cannot take your hand over there. Okay, so those are known as like painting, working on Word. These cannot be the part of hardware. These all known as software. Students, software are of two types. One is your system software. And another one is your application software. Students, now system software. System software are those software which help system to work on it, and system is using that software, like operating system, and one of operating system, antivirus, or utility programs. These are known as certain your system software. Coming on the application software. Application software are those software which users may use. Users like you, like me, we the users which are using. For example, Paint, Microsoft Word, Microsoft PowerPoint, calculator, and so on. There are various kind of softwares which we are using for as the application software. Okay, for our purpose, we the users uses these softwares, so they are known as application software. Now students, we are going to discuss operating system. In the operating system topic, first I will tell you what is the role of operating system. Students, in operating system, this helps computer to operate all the functions of computer. It operates the functions of computer and it controls all the devices of computer. So students, basically the role of operating system is to operate and control the functionality of the machinery, the activities of the computer. It acts. This is also act as medium. Operating system is known as medium as well. Suppose this is user and this is your computer system. So, operating system becomes the medium between the user and the computer system. This is how it works. Now, we'll be taking further. We are going to discuss functions of operating system. Well, in the functions of operating system, the main point comes first, device management. Now, in this device management, it's going to control all the devices of the system, including all input output devices. Now, operation controls of input output devices. Next comes memory management. Under memory management, operating system assign memory to various programs whenever required. It also frees the memory when it is not in use, means the memory where to keep which file and folder that can be arranged by the operating system. Runs software. How the software runs on it means an operating system runs the application software like Paint, Microsoft Word, PowerPoint, etc. Whenever we ask, we just give a command by double click and your system manager, means operating system, run it that time. Now, process management. Process management also refers that manages by operating system the work, the processor allocating various jobs, whatever processor does, that managed by operating system. Now, the file management. Files managed by operating system that keeps the track of information regarding creation, deletion, all by the operating system, copying it and storing it as well. Security. As you secure your home from the thief, you lock it and you arrange the things, manage it properly. Similar to that, it also provides security by means of password to prevent misuse of a computer, and that all done by operating system. So these are the functions of operating system which it does, like device management, memory management, runs software, process management, file management and security. Thank you class. This is all for the day.